Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Rebecca Austin, your Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. If you're a coach, course creator, or entrepreneur looking to create a life of financial freedom, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about how you can write your own paycheck by leveraging Kajabi. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the online business game for a while, Kajabi gives you so many ways to generate income, both directly through your business and indirectly by expanding your reach and your opportunities. Stick with me because I'm not just covering the obvious ways to make money online. We'll also dive into some outside the box income sources you can tap into with Kajabi as the backbone of your business. And if you're ready to get started, check the link in the description to grab your free 30-day trial of Kajabi if you haven't already, plus some incredible bonuses we're offering, including personalized support and done-for-you sales page copy. Okay, so how do you make money through Kajabi and write your own paycheck? First, let's talk about why Kajabi is the ultimate tool for building an online business. Kajabi isn't just a platform, it's an all-in-one business solution, from website hosting and digital project creation to email marketing and sales funnels. It handles everything. This means you don't need to juggle multiple subscriptions or piece together complicated technology. And less time spent on tech means more time focusing on what matters most, serving your audience and making an income. But here's the fun part. Kajabi gives you multiple streams of income potential in one place. So let's break that down. When I say internal revenue sources, I'm talking about all the ways that you can earn directly through Kajabi. So that includes you can do online courses. Now, this is a big one. It's kind of the foundation that started Kajabi in the first place, and it's creating and selling courses on anything you're passionate about. Whether you're a fitness coach, an artist, or a business mentor, you can package your expertise into courses that sell over and over again. Next, we have membership sites. You can offer exclusive content to a community of members in exchange for recurring revenue. Think about coaching groups, a book club, or a monthly mastermind. You can also do digital products. You can sell ebooks, templates, or checklists that your audience can download instantly. These are quick to create and can become a consistent revenue stream. Kajabi also offers a really robust solution for coaches. Using Kajabi to sell one-on-one or group coaching packages complete with easy scheduling and payment options are definitely a great way to earn income using Kajabi. Kajabi also has other products that you can do, including paid podcasts, paid newsletters. There's so many different opportunities inside Kajabi, all built in, and is designed specifically for a seamless and stellar customized client journey experience. Unlike any other platform I've ever used, it really shines when we're looking at trying to enhance the client experience, especially after the purchase. Now, the beauty of this setup is that all of these income streams can exist within the same platform. Your website, your offers, your payments, it's all streamlined, which saves you so much time. And it's definitely a lot of less headaches with trying to make everything work together, which is what I had to do prior to Kajabi. Now let's think beyond Kajabi itself. Once you've built a thriving business on Kajabi, you open the door to external revenue opportunities. And that includes things like affiliate marketing. You can partner with brands you love, like Kajabi, and earn commissions by recommending them to your audience. When you use Kajabi's tools to grow your email list and engage your audience, affiliate marketing becomes a natural extension of your business. You can also work on speaking engagements. A professional website and a portfolio in Kajabi can position you as an expert in your field, leading to paid speaking gigs or workshop opportunities. There's also collaborations and partnerships. With a strong online presence, other creators or businesses may reach out for joint ventures that generate extra income. And of course, there's corporate training. Package your expertise into training programs for companies. Many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for this kind of specialized knowledge. By combining internal revenue streams with external opportunities, Kajabi helps you create a full ecosystem of income sources. So you may be thinking too, why Kajabi specifically? Sure, there are other platforms out there, but here's what sets Kajabi really truly apart. As I mentioned before, everything is in one place. No need to cobble together tools or worry about integrations. It's also incredibly easy to use. Kajabi offers templates and AI tools, which makes making your courses and content and marketing materials super simple, even if you're not tech savvy. Also, scalability. Whether you're just starting out or scaling to six figures or seven figures, Kajabi grows with you. And let's not forget, Kajabi's analytics and the tools that it has internally will show you what's working so you can double down on strategies that make you the most money. If this sounds like the kind of business you want to build, now is the perfect time to start. When you use the partner link that we have in the description below, you'll get the most up-to-date and best promotion, including extended free trials and sometimes special bonus discounts. And that gives you the opportunity to test drive Kajabi and make sure that it's the right fit for you. But of course, that's not all. We are offering exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running, including personalized support to get your business set up right and a professionally written sales page copy to save you time and boost your conversions. With Kajabi and these bonuses, you'll have everything you need to start writing your own paycheck on your terms. So, what else do you need to know? What are you waiting for? Comment below if you have any other questions that you may have, or schedule a complimentary coaching session with me, and we can go deep into specific areas that you are needing and make sure Kajabi is the right fit for you. You can also click the link below to grab your free trial and our bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips on building your dream online business. And remember, the key to success is taking action. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.